Adventureland, what's happening? So the other day I was thinking to myself, like, I'm so tired of it taking me half an hour to get my throw ball in the trees just so I can practice climbing, and it just takes forever. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna set up a rope and set up a chain with some carabiners and leave them in the tree, and then feed some 550 paracord through it, so that way I can just pull my rope through, climb, come back down, pull my rope back down, pull the 550 paracord through, and leave it outside. That way I can basically get on whenever I want to. So behind me here you see this pine tree right there. I've got 200 feet of line and I'm almost out of line, so it's got to be roughly, I don't know, 90 feet. I'm gonna go up there, I'm gonna set my chain, I'm gonna set my carabiners, and yeah, it'll be fun. Check it out. Got a Yosemite bowline here, and then I backed up with a second bowline. Rescue butterfly just in case. My gear's set. Adventure mode on. Up we go. Alright, looking good. Remember, not down, look in front. I don't like not spiking up. Alright, a couple of seconds here of relaxation. Some of you might be like, Alex, you're wearing shorts. This is true. Arms are tired. You gotta remember, the rope has got like 5,000 pound breaking strength, even though it feels so skinny. There's a cave in Georgia with a 586 foot vertical called Fantastic Pit. It's in Ellison's cave. I would love to climb that one day. There we go. Almost there. Almost there. Yeah, that's the one thing about SRT that's a little nerve-wracking, is that until you get positioned, you are only tied in once. Making it. Not a fan of that dead branch that my rope is going around. Oh man, I landed that rope perfectly. Almost there, no reason to stop. Clear out a little bit of this. Next time it's not so hectic. Man, look at that. Perfect landing. Alright, take that off. It's so funny because when I was a kid, man, I would climb a creek like this. No rope at all. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Come out to the house. There we go. sturdier than I thought. Ha. Some kids over there acting like ding-dongs, as it were. Yeah, I'm at the, I gotta be, well, 200 feet of rope. I've got probably 10 feet on the ground, 95 feet. It's good stuff. Thanks for ruining my video, kids. It's peaceful. It's funny the games that your mind plays on you when you're climbing up. It's a 100-foot pine. That's 10 feet to the top. You know, listening to those kids, man, running around and playing and having a great time. Just reminds me of when I was a kid, not a care in the world. Man, you can't see anything from up here unless there's a gap. You know, I'd love to come up here and see the sunrise. As long as this limb stays good. I mean, I was gonna put a chain up here with some I was gonna put a chain up here with some D-rings and stuff, but got a primary. If this cuts out, I got a secondary, and then 4 feet down I got a third. It's not too bad, and that's a big limb. I don't know, like I like the fact that my rope bends over the crotch like that, and it's not going through a couple of carabiners that from the ground I can't see, because I have a chain and I was going to put 2 carabiners on it with a shackle and some Loctite, and then a backup bolt through the chain just in case. I really like the curve on that, you know. Maybe what I'll do is I'll feed the rope that I brought up, my throw line that I brought up, and I'll feed it through here, and then route it on the way down on the other side of that, and then right straight through there all the way. One of the interesting things that I think about when I get up here is that the last time somebody saw the top of this pine where they could touch it, 100 feet, I don't know, 70 years? All right, we're going down. This is the highest I've ever been, 90 feet. That's awesome. Little kids are nuts. Says the guy 90 feet in the tree. Yeah, excellent. Get rid of all that junk. Alright, here's where it gets hairy. At least for me anyway. This is interesting, this device. You gotta watch it, you don't get your... Not too bad. Not too bad at all. I'm down, dudes. All right, so I'm down. I made it. Nobody died, thank God. When you're climbing a tree like that, 90 feet, that's the highest I've ever been. What a blast. It is nerve-wracking. Like you're running through your head all of the different things that could go wrong. Is my knot right? Are all of my carabiners locked off? Is this rope gonna suddenly have a defect from the factory and then just come apart? I mean, there's everything and anything runs through your mind. Keep focused on what's in front of you. Keep focused on what's ahead and up. Don't look down and start to ponder how high you are. Just keep going. These guys that do this every day for a living, they use the same ropes every day over and over and over, you know, for months at a time before they swap them out. If you're doing this like I am for a hobby, just for fun, you take care of your rope and you take care of your gear, it's gonna last you a long time. Anyway, that was really high. That was a lot of fun. Yeah, I'll do it again.